Welcome everyone. As you can see, thousands of resources in this game increased for free, a secret method, a guaranteed method. Okay, so let's get started. This will take you to the game page, which looks like this. Click on the start button, then enter your username. Okay, make sure it's correct. And after that, choose your device. Okay, next enter the number of resources you want. Alright, afterward, click on the continue button. In this stage, the website will verify the information. After verification, it will take you to the human verification stage. In this stage, the website wants to make sure you are not a robot, but a real person, so it can give you the requested resources. And to do this, you need to complete one of the offers provided. These offers are simple and free, and they take a minute or two. The offer may ask for something simple like entering your phone number or email or download small game or app, which is so normal. Alright, after that, once you have completed the offer, the website will confirm that you are a real person and send you the resources. If you don't complete the human verification stage, the website will suspect you're a robot and won't give you anything. The human verification stage is crucial. And after completing it, as you can see, the website verifies that you are human. It will immediately send you the game resources. As you can see, thousands of resources for this game are increasing for free, a secret method, a guaranteed method.